Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Data Visual. Today we are going to see the introduction to SQL. So first of all is what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. SQL is a language which is used to operate your database. SQL is used in the accessing, updating and manipulation of the data in a database. So next is what are the types of SQL commands? There are mainly 4 types of SQL commands. These are first is the data definition language, and the commands are create, alter, rename, truncate and drop. Second is data manipulation language, and the commands are insert, update, delete, select. Third one is data control language, the commands are grant, revoke. Fourth one is the transition control language, and the commands are commit, rollback and save point. Next is what is constants. Constants are really useful in SQL, and SQL constants are used to specify the rules that allows or restricts what kind of data we are going to store in a table. Next is what are the types of constants are available in SQL. There are so many constants. We are going to see one by one. First one is not null constant. It is used to specify the column, that is it cannot have null value or empty value. Second is unique. It contains the value which cannot be duplicated. Next is check constant. It checks whether the inserted value is satisfying the condition or not. Fourth one is the default constant, to give the default value to specify table. Fifth is primary key. It constant uniquely identify each record in a table. Primary key must contain unique values and cannot contain null value. And one table can have only one primary key. Next is auto increment. It allows unique number to be generated automatically when a new record is inserted in a table. Next is enum. It allows us to choose the value from a list for the permitted column. And next is foreign key. It establishes the relationship between the two tables, and it is the reference between primary key and foreign key. So these are the constants. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.